Have you ever dreamed of a beautiful garden that stays vibrant without constant care? Imagine coming home after a week of scorching heat or heavy rain and finding your plants still healthy, colorful, and full of life. That's the power of choosing naturally resilient plants. A low-maintenance garden isn't about spending endless hours working outside. It's about selecting plants that can thrive on their own. While some flowers need constant watering, feeding, and attention, others handle drought, heavy rain, and changing weather with ease, rewarding you with months of beautiful blooms. In today's video, we'll count down 8 hardy perennial plants that thrive in containers, withstand unpredictable conditions, and require very little care. 1. Coreopsis, a colorful perennial that thrives with very little care. Coreopsis is one of those dependable flowering perennials that rarely lets gardeners down.
Once it becomes established inside a container, it quickly develops into a remarkably self-sufficient plant that continues performing beautifully even when growing conditions aren't ideal. Intense sunshine, extended dry periods, average soil, and occasional missed waterings rarely seem to slow it down. Instead of struggling through challenging weather, Coreopsis continues producing fresh foliage and cheerful blooms as though nothing unusual has happened. That's one of the biggest reasons gardeners consider it among the easiest perennial flowers to grow. Placed in a bright, sunny location, Coreopsis rewards you with an abundance of blossoms that continue appearing for months. Depending on the variety you choose, the flowers may bloom in brilliant yellow, rich golden orange, warm red, or deep burgundy shades. Rather than producing one brief display, the plant continuously develops fresh blooms throughout the entire growing season.
One of its greatest strengths is its remarkable tolerance for dry weather. Once the roots become fully established, Coreopsis requires surprisingly little water to remain healthy. Missing a watering occasionally is rarely a serious concern. Instead of wilting dramatically during dry spells, the plant continues growing with impressive resilience. Heavy rainfall usually causes very few problems as well, provided excess water drains freely from the container. Well-drained pots help protect the roots from sitting in water, allowing the plant to recover quickly after periods of wet weather. Its graceful appearance adds another layer of beauty to container gardens. The combination of finely textured foliage and countless delicate flowers creates a soft, natural look filled with movement. Even the lightest breeze causes the blossoms to sway gently, bringing the entire container to life. Perhaps the greatest reason gardeners love Coreopsis is how little attention it requires.
It doesn't depend on constant feeding or frequent pruning to remain attractive.
Removing faded flowers can encourage even more blooming, but even without regular deadheading, the plant continues producing generous displays of color. Coreopsis proves that some of the easiest plants to grow often become the most rewarding additions to the garden. 2. Geranium, a classic flower that combines beauty with incredible toughness. Geraniums are often underestimated. Their soft leaves and colorful flowers give them an elegant, delicate appearance, but beneath that graceful look is an incredibly resilient plant that performs exceptionally well in containers. These dependable bloomers actually thrive during the hottest months of summer. While many flowering plants begin slowing down as temperatures rise, geraniums continue producing vibrant blossoms week after week, filling patios, balconies, porches, and container gardens with dependable color. Another reason gardeners appreciate geraniums is their ability to tolerate occasional dry conditions. Their thick stems and slightly fleshy leaves naturally store moisture, allowing the plants to survive missed waterings much better than many other flowering species. If the soil becomes temporarily dry, the foliage may droop slightly, but after a deep watering, the plant usually recovers remarkably quickly. That forgiving nature makes geraniums an outstanding choice for busy gardeners who can't always water every single day. Rain also causes surprisingly few problems. Although heavy showers may damage some of the open flowers, healthy plants replace them quickly with fresh blooms. As long as containers provide excellent drainage, excess moisture rarely causes lasting damage. Geraniums are wonderfully adaptable as well. Whether planted in decorative pots, hanging baskets, window boxes, patio containers, or larger planters, they settle comfortably into almost any growing space. Their naturally compact growth keeps them looking tidy, while occasional trimming encourages fuller plants and even heavier flowering. Their range of flower colors is almost endless. Brilliant reds, delicate pinks, pure whites, coral shades, lavender tones, and deep purple varieties make it easy to complement almost any style of garden or outdoor living area. Their benefits extend beyond appearance alone. The colorful flowers attract bees and other valuable pollinators, while the aromatic foliage is believed to help discourage certain unwanted insects, making patios and outdoor seating areas even more pleasant. Geraniums beautifully combine elegance, long-lasting flowers, and impressive durability,
proving that a plant can be both graceful and incredibly tough at the same time. 3. Lavender, a Mediterranean plant that loves being left alone. Lavender is one of the finest examples of a flowering plant that actually performs better with minimal care. Unlike many ornamental flowers that demand rich soil, frequent watering, and constant attention, lavender naturally thrives under conditions that would challenge many other plants. Its origins trace back to the dry Mediterranean region, where scorching sunshine, rocky soils, and limited rainfall are part of everyday life. Growing lavender in a sunny container filled with well-drained soil closely recreates the environment where it evolved naturally. One of lavender's greatest strengths is its remarkable drought tolerance. Its slender, silver-green leaves are covered with tiny protective hairs that reduce moisture loss, allowing the plant to remain healthy through long periods of dry weather. Missing a few days of watering rarely has much effect on a mature lavender plant. Ironically, caring for lavender too much often creates more problems than not caring for it enough. Overwatering, heavy soil, and constantly wet roots are among the most common reasons lavender struggles. It actually performs best in lean, well-drained soil that dries thoroughly between waterings. Rain itself usually isn't harmful as long as excess water drains away quickly. Containers with generous drainage holes prevent moisture from collecting around the roots, greatly reducing the risk of root rot and other moisture-related problems. Lavender also appreciates good air circulation. It grows best in open locations where gentle breezes move freely through the foliage, helping keep the leaves dry and healthy. As the years pass, the plant develops a sturdy, woody framework that easily withstands strong sunshine, hot temperatures, wind, and constantly changing weather. Its value extends far beyond its incredible durability. Tall spikes of fragrant purple flowers attract bees, butterflies, and countless other beneficial pollinators throughout the flowering season. At the same time, the plant's naturally aromatic oils are widely believed to help discourage mosquitoes and certain garden pests, making lavender an excellent choice around patios, decks, walkways, and outdoor seating areas. Even after flowering has finished, lavender continues providing benefits. Its dried blossoms can be used to create fragrant sachets, decorative wreaths, bouquets, potpourri, homemade crafts, and many other aromatic projects that bring the scent of the garden indoors. Lavender is much more than simply another beautiful perennial. It is a long-lived, dependable, drought-tolerant plant that rewards gardeners year after year with stunning flowers, wonderful fragrance, and remarkable resilience, while asking for very little care in return. 4. Sedum, the nearly indestructible perennial for effortless container gardening. If you're searching for a perennial that's incredibly difficult to damage, sedum deserves a place at the very top of your list. This hardy succulent has evolved with an impressive survival system that separates it from many other garden plants. Its thick, fleshy leaves store large amounts of water, allowing it to remain healthy and attractive even during long periods of dry weather. Those moisture-filled leaves act like natural reservoirs, supplying the plant with everything it needs when rainfall becomes scarce. While many flowering plants begin to wilt under intense summer heat, sedum continues growing without losing its fresh appearance. Its remarkable resilience isn't something it gradually learns, it's a natural characteristic that's been built into the plant from the very beginning. Another feature that makes sedum so popular is its incredible adaptability. Although many drought-loving plants struggle after heavy rain, sedum handles wet conditions surprisingly well when it's grown in a container filled with fast-draining soil. Excess water quickly flows away from the roots, preventing waterlogging and allowing the plant to adjust easily to changing weather. Growing sedum in containers makes gardening even simpler. There's no need to follow a strict watering schedule or constantly check the weather forecast. This is one of those rare plants that truly knows how to take care of itself. Sedum is equally undemanding when it comes to nutrition. It grows happily in poor, sandy, or rocky soil, and applying too much fertilizer often creates weaker, softer growth instead of improving the plant. Lean, well-drained soil is exactly the environment where sedum performs at its very best. Its growth habit adds even more appeal. Some varieties spread across the surface of containers, forming dense carpets of colorful foliage, while trailing types gracefully spill over the edges of pots, softening the container with elegant cascading stems. Upright varieties add height, texture, and structure, pairing beautifully with other drought-tolerant perennials. When flowering season begins, sedum becomes even more spectacular. Large clusters of blooms appear in shades of white, yellow, soft pink, or rich crimson, attracting bees, butterflies, and many other beneficial pollinators. Even after the flowers fade, the dried seed heads continue providing texture and visual interest for weeks, extending the plant's ornamental value well into autumn. Perhaps the greatest advantage of growing sedum is how incredibly forgiving it is. Forget to water it? It keeps thriving. Place it in intense summer sun, it flourishes. Leave it alone for several weeks, it barely seems to notice.
With dependable performance, outstanding resilience, and almost effortless care, sedum remains one of the finest perennial choices for anyone wanting a beautiful container garden without constant maintenance. 5. Echinacea, a prairie wildflower built to handle tough conditions. Better known as coneflower, Echinacea earned its reputation as an exceptionally tough plant long before it became a favorite ornamental flower in gardens around the world. Its natural home was the wide-open prairies, where it regularly endured blazing sunshine, dry soil, powerful winds, and unpredictable storms. Those same survival skills make it one of the most dependable perennials you can grow in containers today. Provide Echinacea with a sunny location and well-drained soil, and it rewards you with vigorous growth and months of colorful blooms. Even during the hottest weeks of summer, when many flowering plants begin slowing down, coneflowers continue producing bold blossoms that brighten the garden. Its powerful root system plays an important role in that resilience. Even inside containers, Echinacea develops deep roots capable of finding and storing available moisture, allowing the plant to tolerate occasional missed waterings with very little stress. For gardeners who don't always have time for daily maintenance, that's a tremendous advantage. Heavy rain usually isn't a problem either. Strong, sturdy stems help the plant remain upright after thunderstorms that might flatten more delicate flowers. Those robust stems easily support the large, daisy-like blooms while standing up to changing weather throughout the growing season. The flowers themselves provide much more than beautiful color. Their striking blossoms add height, texture, and bold visual interest to container displays while attracting bees, butterflies, and countless other beneficial pollinators that help support a healthy garden ecosystem. Even after the flowering season comes to an end, Echinacea continues contributing to the landscape. Its decorative seed heads remain attractive throughout autumn, while also providing an important food source for songbirds, allowing the plant to continue supporting wildlife long after the petals have fallen. One of Echinacea's greatest qualities is its remarkable longevity. Once established, it reliably returns year after year with very little maintenance. It doesn't require frequent fertilizing, complicated pruning, or constant attention to remain healthy and productive. Instead, it quietly repeats the same dependable cycle of vigorous growth, beautiful flowering, and seasonal interest every single year. Combined with other drought-tolerant perennials, Echinacea creates stunning container displays that are both elegant and exceptionally easy to maintain. It proves that true beauty and remarkable toughness can exist in exactly the same plant. 6. Rosemary, a fragrant Mediterranean herb that thrives on neglect. Rosemary is one of those rare plants that actually rewards gardeners for giving it less attention rather than more. Unlike many herbs and flowering plants, it doesn't require frequent watering, nutrient-rich soil, or constant care. In fact, overwatering and excessive attention are among the most common reasons gardeners struggle to grow it successfully. Native to the warm Mediterranean region, rosemary evolved in dry, rocky landscapes where rainfall is scarce and sunshine is abundant. Those challenging natural conditions transformed it into one of the toughest herbs available for container gardening. Hot, sunny weather is exactly what rosemary loves. The more sunlight it receives, the stronger its growth becomes, and the richer its unmistakable herbal fragrance grows. Its narrow, needle-like leaves are specially designed to reduce moisture loss, allowing the plant to remain healthy during extended dry periods. Missing several waterings rarely causes noticeable harm. Rosemary simply continues growing as though nothing unusual has happened. Too much water, however, creates the opposite effect. This hardy herb performs best in soil that dries between waterings and in containers with outstanding drainage. Healthy air circulation around the roots further reduces the risk of disease, particularly during periods of wet weather. As rosemary matures, its stems gradually become thick and woody, giving the plant exceptional strength and durability. It withstands strong winds, naturally maintains an attractive shape, and responds beautifully to pruning, whether grown as a compact shrub or carefully trimmed into decorative forms. Rosemary offers benefits that extend far beyond its appearance. Fresh sprigs can be harvested throughout the growing season to season roasted vegetables, meats, breads, soups, sauces, and countless favorite recipes without reducing the plant's vigor. Its naturally aromatic oils are also believed to help discourage mosquitoes and certain unwanted garden pests, making rosemary an excellent addition to patios, balconies, porches, and outdoor entertaining spaces. As the years pass, rosemary becomes much more than a simple culinary herb. It grows into a dependable, fragrant, and highly ornamental companion that asks for very little while rewarding gardeners season after season with beauty, usefulness, and exceptional resilience.
7. Daylily, a long-blooming perennial that practically takes care of itself. Daylilies have earned their place among the easiest and most dependable flowering perennials for a reason. If you're looking for a plant that delivers brilliant color without requiring constant care, it's difficult to find a better choice. These remarkably resilient perennials are built to withstand a wide range of growing conditions. Whether they're exposed to blazing summer heat, extended dry periods, heavy rainfall, or the occasional forgotten watering, daylilies continue growing and blooming with impressive reliability. Their secret lies beneath the soil. Thick, fleshy roots act as natural storage units, holding both water and nutrients that help sustain the plant during difficult conditions. When watering is delayed, daylilies simply draw from these underground reserves, allowing them to stay healthy and continue growing without showing signs of serious stress. Heavy rain rarely creates lasting problems either. Daylilies recover quickly after wet weather and adapt easily to unpredictable climates where conditions can change dramatically from one week to the next. This ability to tolerate both drought and excess moisture makes them an outstanding choice for container gardening, where soil tends to dry out and become saturated much faster than it does in traditional garden beds. One of the most fascinating characteristics of daylilies is the way they flower. Each individual bloom lasts for only a single day, but the plant continuously produces new buds that open one after another. As one flower fades, another immediately takes its place, creating the impression of non-stop blooming that can continue for weeks and, in many varieties, even for months. It almost feels as though the plant is constantly replacing yesterday's blossoms with fresh new flowers. Daylilies are available in an incredible range of colors and patterns. From soft creams and gentle pastel shades to vibrant oranges, fiery reds, rich purples, golden yellows, and even dramatic two-tone varieties, there's a daylily to complement virtually every garden style and container arrangement. Their elegant arching foliage adds height, texture, and graceful movement without overwhelming neighboring plants, making them easy to combine with other perennial favorites. Perhaps the greatest reason gardeners love daylilies is how little they demand. No complicated fertilizing schedule, no endless pruning, no constant monitoring. Simply provide sunshine, occasional watering, and well-drained soil, and they'll continue rewarding you with dependable growth and spectacular flowers year after year. If you want long-lasting color without the work, few perennial plants can match the beauty, toughness, and versatility of the daylily. 8. Hosta, the perfect perennial for bringing shade to life. Hostas are proof that the toughest plants aren't limited to sunny gardens. These dependable, shade-loving perennials are every bit as resilient as many drought-tolerant favorites, making them an excellent solution for patios, balconies, porches, and quiet garden corners where direct sunlight is limited and many other plants struggle to survive. If you have a shaded area that feels empty or lifeless, hostas can transform it into a lush, inviting retreat filled with texture and rich greenery. Their broad, ornamental leaves are the plant's greatest attraction. Not only do they create a bold visual display, but their large foliage also helps conserve moisture by reducing water loss, allowing hostas to tolerate occasional mist waterings much better than many other shade-loving plants. Although they certainly appreciate consistently moist soil and often look their best after rainfall or a thorough watering, they're surprisingly forgiving when the soil temporarily becomes dry. Their adaptability makes them especially valuable in regions where weather conditions change frequently throughout the growing season. When grown in containers, hostas quickly develop into full, impressive plants that fill empty spaces with dense foliage and beautiful texture. Their layered leaves create a soft, elegant appearance that instantly adds depth, structure, and freshness to shaded patios, decks, balconies, and garden beds. Another reason gardeners treasure hostas is the incredible variety of foliage they offer. Some varieties display deep emerald green leaves, while others feature striking combinations of creamy white centers, blue-green tones, golden margins, or beautifully variegated patterns that brighten even the darkest corners of the landscape. Although hostas also produce graceful flower spikes during the growing season, it's their spectacular foliage that remains the true centerpiece. Their leaves stay attractive for months, continuing to provide beauty and structure long after many flowering plants have finished blooming for the year. They're wonderfully uncomplicated to maintain. Frequent fertilizing isn't necessary. Constant pruning isn't required. Simply provide partial to full shade, consistently well-drained soil, and occasional watering, and they'll reward you with years of dependable growth. What truly sets hostas apart is their remarkable ability to flourish in places where so many other plants fail. With minimal effort, they transform cool, shaded spaces into peaceful, vibrant displays of texture, color, and natural elegance, proving that some of the most reliable garden plants are also among the most quietly beautiful.